She got a face full. That's funny.
I can't wait to see her reaction to the lake.
Oh, yeah.
No!
What? No, what? What you
No
doing?
drinking it.
I just filled it up today. Can't be too gross.
We put clean water in it this afternoon.
Honey?
No, 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 no. You can play. That's it.
No, don't do that. You see all those teeth?
I did.
Don't kick the little man under there.
Honey, no.
Well, at least we know she'll know how to do a squeaking sound.